lose one game and you back to disrespecting the bird. And that is absurd. In the meantime, y'all somehow made the Dallas Cowboys sympathetic figures spearheaded by Micah Parsons. Y'all got him saying that they don't give the same energy for the 49ers and Eagles when they lose as they give to the Cowboys. First of all, we don't be out here losing 42-10. And also, we represented the NFC in the NFC Championship. We've both been to Super Bowls recently. You haven't done jack squat. Shut your mouth.